Hi, I am Harshdeep Singh, a FRAPIS certified consultant working at NestorBird. Welcome to the demo videos by NestorBird. Today, I'll be showcasing how we successfully implemented ERPNext in Saha's waste management. They are into e-waste management solutions through their subsidiary company Extend IT. So let me take you to the user journey followed by some of the live transactions on ERPNext instance. Saha's Waste Management procure used laptops from their suppliers in bulk, right? And then they refurbish it. If needed, they repair it, followed by a quality check. Once a laptop is cleared from the quality check, then it's good to be sold to the end clients or customers. Now, let me take you to the procurement journey, which starts with a purchase order to a supplier and ends with a payment entry for the supplier, right? So here I have logged in with the admin credentials, so you can see all the modules on my left hand side and have all the permissions to do the transactions, right? So I'll be quickly going to the purchase order so that I can raise a purchase order for one of my suppliers to procure laptops. From the list, I can pull up any of the supplier. Since this supplier is an organization, so I'll be clicking on the organization and required by date, I'm selecting it as today. Suppose I'm procuring a laptop and it's a Dell, and for the demo purpose, I'll be keeping the quantity as 1. The rate is coming from the price list followed by the taxes. So my purchase order is completely sanitized and I'll click on save and submit. So this is a two-step process of maker and checker, right? Suppose I'm getting the laptop now itself, so I'll be creating a purchase receipt. The entire data has been pulled up from the purchase order with the item code, the name, the price and taxes. So once I'm receiving the equipment, I need to put up a serial number, right? So let me go ahead and put a serial number over here. And save it. Now the purchase receipt is created. Right from here, I can check the stock ledger. Right, you can see the laptop has been inverted in my stores. So this is how my purchase receipt updates my stock ledger, right? So from this purchase receipt, I'll raise an invoice so that we can make the payment to the supplier. The entire data is pulled up from the purchase receipt, so I just need to cross check. And here you can see an enhancement as a tick box. So I can create a project to manage all the tasks which has to be done by the engineers. So I'll save it and submit it. I'll quickly go ahead and make a payment entry and keep my accounting ledger updated. The mode of payment could be any one of them. For the demo purpose, I'm keeping it as cash. I just need to put the reference number followed by today's date and I'll save it. So right from this payment entry, we can have a look on the general ledger, right? You can see this payment entry has been done against the purchase invoice and the voucher number is also there. So let me go back to the purchase invoice to check if it is updated as paid. Yeah, so this is the one which we have created and it is updated. So now we have procured the laptop and it has been inverted in the inventory. So we need to assign tasks to the technicians so that they can check the serviceability of the laptop. So now our laptop is refurbished and good to be sold to the customers. So let me take you to the sales side of ERPNext. So here is the list of sales order. I'll be creating a new one. And for that, I'll be pulling up a customer. The delivery date, let's keep it as of today. The item, I'll be pulling up the refurbished laptop. Right. The quantity is 1. The rate is fixed and been pulled up from the price list. The taxes are sanitized, already pulled up as per the saved templates. So I'll just save it. And before moving it, I'll just check the addresses and contacts as well. Yeah. So the addresses and the contact person are updated. So I'll submit it. So this is the benefit of the two-step process of maker and checker. Now you can see the status as to deliver and bill. Right. So I'll create a sales invoice first, followed by a delivery note. So the sales invoice has pulled all the data from the sales order. I just need to check and submit it. Right. So moving ahead, I'll be creating a delivery note followed by a payment entry. So delivery note makes sure that my stock ledger is updated. So all the details are pulled up from the sales order, even the addresses and contacts as well. So I'll save this delivery challan. Once this is done, you can check your stock ledger, that is it updated or not. So you can see one quantity is out from my stock ledger, right? So going back, I'll be going back to the invoice, and the invoice is still unpaid. Now we have delivered the product, and assuming that I have received the payment from the customer, so I'll quickly create a payment entry. So for demo purpose, I'll be keeping the mode of payment as cash, followed by a transaction number and a reference date. I'll just save it. This payment entry assures that my accounting ledgers are updated. So you can see the entry has been passed to keep my general ledger sanitized. So I'll go back to the sales invoice, and you can see the status has been changed to paid, right? So that's all for today's demo. If you have any queries, feel free to connect with us at sales@nestorbird.com. Thank you.